Hi guys, so now we're gonna design another Pinterest pin. Okay, so this is a different pin style. So first let's go to uploads here on the left bottom section, and then click upload your own images, and then let's choose another styled stock photo. Okay, so now let's drag the photo. Okay, and now let's resize it. Okay, so just drag this. Okay, and then let's choose the section that we want. Okay, so now let's go to elements. Okay, and then click shapes. Okay, and then let's choose this square shape. Okay, so let's just adjust this square shape. Okay, and then let's click the shape and then go to color picker and choose the white color. Okay, alright, so now we're gonna click the square shape and then go here on the transparency. Okay, here on the upper right. Okay, transparency, and then we're gonna adjust the transparency. Okay, so it's gonna be a little transparent. Okay, alright, so now let's go to text and then add the heading. Okay, so let's type how to. Okay, and then bring it here, and then let's just change the font to League Spartan. Okay, so let's go to the font section and then choose League Spartan. Okay, and then we're gonna copy it. Okay, just click it and then click copy. Okay, how to, and then we're gonna change it how to start a. Okay, so let's go again, add heading, and then let's type blog. Okay, but we're gonna make this blog bigger. Okay, so just click that and then change the font to 80, font size to 80. Then we're gonna change the font to Pacifico again, because Pacifico looks good with League Spartan. Okay, so let's choose Pacifico. Okay, so now it looks good, and then let's highlight it and then change the color, okay, to pink, because black and pink looks good for this. Okay, so let's just adjust that, how to start a blog. Then let's copy this again and let's change it in just. Okay, and then let's copy the blog, copy. Okay, and then change it to the number 20. Okay, and copy the ingest, and then let's make it 20 minutes. Okay, all right, so let's make this number 20 bigger, so let's just make that. Okay, so how to start a blog in just 20 minutes. Okay, so again we're gonna make a footer here, so let's go to elements and then choose the shape square. Okay, so we're gonna create a footer here. Okay, so let's adjust that and change it to the color black. Okay, and then okay, so we're gonna adjust the transparency. Okay, so if you want this to be less transparent, just click it and then go to transparency, and if you want it to be a solid color like that, or into more transparent like this. Okay, it's your choice. Okay, but I think it looks good at 91. Okay, but you can adjust it if you want. Okay, so again, let's go to text and then click add subheading, and then we're gonna add our website again, but let's change the color to white. Okay, then let's add our website. Alright, so now this is what it looks like. Okay, so if you want, you can also change the background. So let's go to uploads. Okay, click upload your own images and then choose a different design. Okay, so we're gonna drag this. Okay, this pink design. Okay, We're gonna drag this here, but you can see it's overlapping, so we're gonna um, click arrange, okay, and then click back, okay. So now let's just delete the blue first, okay. Okay, let's delete the blue. So now it's the pink, and then let's resize it. Let's make it bigger. So just drag this, okay. All right. So now you can see that it covered the whole thing. So it's important to click it and then um, go to arrange and then back, okay. So do this for all the sections here, okay. So just adjust it and then arrange and click back, okay. Move it again, okay, until all right. So that is how to make another style of Pinterest pin, okay. So you can replace this background here with any design you want. Okay, so now let's create our Pinterest graphic, okay? So first let's go to uploads, okay? Here in the left section on the bottom, click uploads and then click upload your own images. Okay, so remember the feminine styled stock photos. Let's just upload one of those. Okay, so I'm just gonna upload this by Wonderfell, okay? Let me just upload that. And here it is, actually uploaded earlier, so just let me drag this. Okay, let's drag this photo here, okay, and then let's resize it to make it bigger. Okay, so let's just resize this, just drag it, okay, just drag it to resize this, okay. So I want to flip this photo, okay, because I want this flower design to go on the bottom. Okay, so let's just click here on top left section, flip. Okay, so you can flip horizontally. Okay, this is what it looks like, or you can flip vertically. Okay, so this is what I want this to flip vertically. Okay, so I want this flower on the bottom. Okay, all right, so now we're gonna copy a design I made in the past. Okay, so this is what I want: 5 tips to skyrocket your motivation. Okay, so now let's go back here. Okay, so let's go here on the left section and click elements. Okay, click elements. Okay, and then go here, shapes. Okay, you can see here there's free photos, grids. Okay, just click here, shapes. Okay, all right, just let's just wait for a bit and then let's scroll down and then you can see here the shape. Okay, a circle shape, so let's just drag that. Okay, drag the circle here. Okay, so let's make this smaller, the circle. Okay, and then I want to change the color of the circle. Okay, so just click that and then go here on the color picker. Okay, so we want to match the color, so it has to be pink. Okay, so just click that and then choose pink. Okay, so if you want to choose other colors, you can choose here or just click this plus sign where you can pick the specific color that you want. Okay, so let's just choose this pink. Okay, and now let's go to the text section. Okay, click here on the left uh, side, click text, and then click add heading. Okay, so there's going to be a heading here. Okay, and then drag it here on the circle and then put the number 5. Okay, so because we're copying this, okay, 5 tips to skyrocket your motivation. Okay, so 5. Okay, so we want to make it bigger, so just highlight the number 5 and then click the font size. Okay, and then let's make it bigger. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, and I want to change the color. Okay, so just highlight it again and go here to the color picker on top, and then I want this to be color white. Okay, so it still looks small, so let's make it bigger. Okay, so let's make it that, and I want to change the font. Okay, so let's highlight here the 5 and then go here on the fonts. Okay, you see it's Abril Fat Face, so I want to change this to League Spartan. Okay, okay, so now that looks better. Okay, so I want to make this circle smaller. Okay, so let me just adjust that to the middle. Alright, so now let's add another text. Okay, so let's go here again to text on the left section and then click add heading. Okay, so we're gonna type tips 2, 5 tip because 5 tips 2. Okay, but since we use League Spartan, we're gonna change the font again. So just highlight this and then choose the font League Spartan. Okay, let's make that a bit bigger. Okay, so we want to copy this again. Okay, so just click this the font box. Okay, and then click copy. Okay, so we can copy that. Okay, but let's just change the text. So just highlight the text, 5 tips to skyrocket. Okay, but let's make the skyrocket smaller. Okay, let me just, all right, 5 tips to skyrocket. And then let's copy this again. Okay, just click it and then click copy. Okay, so let's change the text to your 5 tips to skyrocket your. And then we're going to add another heading. Okay, so click here on the text and then click add heading. And then we're going to put motivation. Okay, but we want this motivation to be in cursive. Okay, so let's just highlight that and change the text to Pacifico. Okay, because I usually like Pacifico, it looks very good. Okay, so let's just scroll down and look for Pacifico. Okay, so this is the font that looks good. Okay, so now let's highlight this and make the font bigger. Okay, so let's put 50. Okay, let's make this as big as possible. Okay, without overflowing. Okay, so let's just still make that bigger. Okay, and you can also change the color. Okay, so with Pinterest, I suggest with Pinterest we use a normal font. Okay, and then a cursive font. Okay, always use the regular font and the cursive font. Okay, because that looks good on Pinterest. Okay, so highlight this. Let's change the color of motivation. Let's go to the color picker. Okay, and let's change that to pink. Okay, so you see this looks very good. Okay, and then let's make this a little bigger. Okay, so now we want to add a shape here. So let's go to elements here on the left section. Click elements, and then click this shape. Okay, this square shape. Okay, so let's drag it on the bottom because we're gonna make a placeholder for our website. Okay, and then change this shape. Okay, just click that and go to the color picker. Okay, and then choose black. Okay, and then let's add another text. Okay, click here on the left text and then click add subheading. Okay, so just drag that and then let's put our website. So let's put here our website, but it should be color white. Okay, because the background is black. So let's just highlight that and then go to the color picker and click white. Okay, so you see here that now it looks nice. Okay, so this is an example of a good Pinterest pin. Okay, this is a very attractive pin. It's long and um, I, I give you the advice that in Pinterest, the eye-popping colors are usually pink, black, and white. Okay, so this is just a suggestion because those are usually the colors that pop out in the Pinterest feed. Okay, pink, hot pink, okay, black, and white. This color combination is very good. Okay, so once you're done, let's click download. Okay, let's click download and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so just wait. All right, so it's downloading and okay, just wait a bit. Let's go to the Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, this is actually bigger size. Okay. Okay, so this is a big size. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. We'll make other styles of pins.